you're a large barn owner, or just have a few horse stalls, you know how important it is for your animal's health to keep the place clean, and just how hard it can be to do so. Unkempt stalls attract insects, rodents, and other disease-causing organisms that conventional brooms and small vacuums simply can't clean up. But Elgee Power Vacs can. Elgee has been keeping horse stalls, barns, and public facilities clean since 1961. Easy to maneuver, lightweight, and specifically designed to pick up sawdust, straw, grains, manure chips, metal, things like water bottles. But best of all, it's quiet, so you can clean without scaring this guy. All that while saving you time, energy, and best of all, money. Just don't take my word for it. Listen to what some of our happy users have to say.
We're the proud owners of the Elgee Power Vac for many years. I love how efficient it is and how it makes my barn look very clean every day.
And it's a great, great asset here. Eliminates a lot of sweeping, and it also keeps the dust down from sweeping. Great system to use in a stable. The Elgee company is great with their service if you need another bag. Wheels for your Power Vac, cord, they have it on hand, and it's very simple for them to get it to you.
We're the proud owners of the Elgee Power Vac. It makes our life a whole lot easier.
So if keeping your barn spotless in record-breaking time is just as important to you as it is to us, then get your Elgee Power Vacuum today. For more information, visit our website at www.elgee.com or email us at sales@elgee.com. And for a free phone consultation, give us a call at 1-800-742-0400. Well, I think it's time I get back to my cleaning now. Elgee Power Vacs, the staple for your stable.